Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your AirPods Pro and your device run the latest firmware and OS. Once done, restart the phone or computer and toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset the link. Also, check battery levels and keep the AirPods within 2 to 3 meters of the source. Physical distance and other wireless devices can introduce delay. Do this now so the deeper fixes that follow aren't wasted on an unstable baseline connection. Next, perform a factory reset of your AirPods Pro. Put them in the case, hold the setup button until the status light flashes amber then white, and repair. While paired, change audio codec settings on the source, disable high-latency codecs like AAC or aptX if available, or force SBC on some devices to test latency trade-offs. Also turn off spatial audio, adaptive EQ, and noise control temporarily to reduce processing delay. These changes isolate whether software processing causes the lag. Finish by testing the AirPods Pro with a different phone or computer to see if the issue follows the headphones or the original device. If you use a computer, update or reinstall Bluetooth and audio drivers, and consider switching USB ports for dongles. For critical situations, compare with wired headphones to confirm latency source. If after all this delay remains, try another pair or contact Apple support. One key tip: document tests and firmware versions before support to speed diagnostics and potential replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.